Oh no. It's you. Good night.
Hindi ba hasigaw ni Joe?
Someone like you in my life. Ano man ba na? There's an empty space in my life. Heart, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life. Siba naman. Worries and fears that I had. I guess that I'm really trying to say it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. It's words Peter. I love you.
Hindi ka mahuya. Sige na.
You can't refuse an offer.
Mano ka, ma-video ka pa?
Inom na, dalian na.
You can't refuse. You cannot refuse. Come on.
Ano ka pwede, boy?
You can...
Oh! Come on! Sapa! Sige pa!
Sa palas yan.
Ikaw inom eh! Kenneth, mainom na si Sarah. Damang na sa Facebook kaya ako.